express square root of 45, square root of 75 in basic surd form. Solution. Square root of 75. Now we need to look for a perfect square number, that is the higher perfect square number and a non-perfect square number. When we check 75, what number we divide this? We can have 5 apart from 1. 75 divided by 5, we have 15. What number will go? 5 can also go. Then we have what? 15 divided by 5, we have 3. Then 3 will also go. 3 divided by 3, we have 1. Now, by pairing, we can see that the first two, 5 times 5, that is what? 25. So it means that we can write 75 as 25 times 3. Now, 25 is the highest perfect square number we can have in 75. While 3 is a non-perfect square number. Now, we write this as square root of 25 times 3. Now, we can now express this as what? Square root of 25 times square root of 3. Then what are we having? Square root of 25 is what? That's 5. Then 5 times square root of 3. Now this is equals to 5 root 3. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.